In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle questions in Microsoft Word. This 5-minute tutorial is perfect for educators, quiz makers, or anyone looking to randomize the order of questions for exams, quizzes, or practice exercises. We'll focus on a manual method that is straightforward and effective, giving you full control over how your questions are rearranged. Let's dive right in. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Windows Start menu, typically found at the bottom left corner of your screen as a Windows logo. Click on the Start button and use the search bar to type Word. The search is intuitive, and Microsoft Word will appear at the top of the results. If you have multiple versions installed, be sure to select the version you are most comfortable using. Once Word opens, you'll see the home screen. Here you can choose to start a blank document or open an existing document that already contains your questions. This flexibility allows you to either create a new quiz or shuffle questions in a pre-existing one. Now comes the core part of our guide: shuffling the questions. If your questions are organized in a list or table format, you can begin rearranging them using a simple cut-and-paste method. Start by selecting the text of the question you want to move. Click and drag your mouse across the question to highlight it. Then, press Ctrl+X to cut the question. This removes it from its original position and places it on your clipboard, ready to be moved. Next, place your cursor where you want the question to appear in the new order. Press Ctrl+V to paste the question into this new location. Repeat this process for each question until your list is fully randomized. This method works like shuffling cards. You remove a question from one position and insert it elsewhere, allowing you to control the sequence exactly. You might alternate easy and hard questions, distribute topics evenly, or simply create a new random order to keep quizzes fresh. While this technique requires more effort for longer documents, it's simple and effective and doesn't require any additional software beyond Microsoft Word. Shuffling questions can help maintain fairness, reduce memorization of question order, and make study materials or exams more engaging. By practicing this method, you'll become more efficient at moving content around in Word, giving you the ability to customize each document to your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.